Today, we're going to learn how to add the morph transition in CapCut, the popular video editing app. The morph transition gives the clip that smooth cinematic transformation effect and is super easy to apply. So, whether you're creating a vlog, music videos, or any creative project, stick around and let's dive into it. First things first, let's open CapCut and you can start a new project or simply tap on your old project as well. Now add clips we want to add the morph transition to. The transition will work best if there's a cut or change between two clips that you want to blend together smoothly. Simply tap on the clips that you want to use, tap on the gap between the where you want to transition to effect. Now comes the fun part, adding the morph transition. To add the transition, now let me show you how to add the transition. You can see the small square, tap on it. Here you can tap on transition. Now go to morph. Here you can find various morph transition. Simply tap on one and you can choose whichever you prefer. Now I prefer this one. So as you can see, when we change to the next page or the next clip, you get the transition. And you can do this to each and every between like this. And that's it. After you've done that, simply click on export and you successfully add a morph transition in CapCut.